Hey, if you want to take scroll screenshot on your Realme C67, there's two methods to do this. The first one, it's definitely the easier. So all you have to do is just to open the status bar. When you are in the quick settings, you can find the screenshot icon. If you don't have it right here, just swipe and take a look for it somewhere else. Then you can find this small icon. So you have to click on it. And now, when this notification menu pops, you will have to get this scrolling screenshot. But for sure, you have to open the place where you can actually do this. So in my case, I'm going to open the settings. So click one more time, take the scrolling screenshot, and now you will get the scrolling screenshot process. If you want to finish, for example, right here, click done, and here you can find it. There's also a second method. Without opening the status bar, you have to use your three fingers, click and hold on any place on the screen, and then quickly swipe down when this window pops. Sometimes it is not working like in my case. That's what I said, that the easier method is to take with this button on the status bar. And as you can see, that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.